So good evening everyone. My name is Maurya Hanspal, and in this session we're gonna continue our talks on financial literacy, and we're gonna talk about insurance. Okay. So what exactly is insurance, and why is insurance so important? Insurance can be of two types. One would be the life insurance, and the other is the non-life insurance. The life insurance is for the purpose of your life, and the non-life insurance are for the purpose of something which is not linked to your life, be it your car insurance, right? Home loan insurance, or any other thing which is not significantly related to your life. Okay. So insurance is basically a contract of indemnity and guarantee. Why indemnity? Because it guarantees the indemnity holder, okay, that the person who is like providing insurance to that person, so that person would be secured in turn for a premium. Like for example, if I have taken a insurance for my life, so I would have to pay a premium to the insurance company. So I am the indemnity holder and that person is the indemnifier. That person would be indemnifying me for any loss that I incur, right? For the purpose of the premium only. So that this session would be concentrated towards the purpose of life insurance, because life insurance is something that must be taken as early as possible. Health insurance can even be taken at a later point of time when you have your whole family intact, you have a wife, children, and all those stuff. But life insurance is something which you can take before anyone comes into your life. Okay. So insurance is something like, I told you, as a contract of indemnity and guarantee. But you need to see that which kind of insurance that you need to take. A large number of bundled insurance policies are available, or different types of insurance policies are available in the market that might cost you a large sum of money. But why to pay so much amount for an insurance if you can get an insurance of more than 1 crore rupees for less than 500 rupees or 600 rupees per month? There are a large number of people who are paying the insurance premium, 5,000 or 6,000 rupees per month. I'm saying 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees per month they are paying the insurance premium. A huge chunk of money or the huge chunk of salary that they're getting is being put up there, is being put up in there, like for the purpose of insurance. Why so much? The first thing is they take insurance at a later point of time. Why? Because when you take insurance at a later point of time, you are more prone to diseases. Hence, you have to pay a more premium. As we talk about the basic rule in finance or stock market, higher the risk, higher is the expected return. Similarly, in this case also, higher your age, higher is the expected premium that you have to pay. Because at a later point of time, you are more prone to diseases, and the probability that you will get caught by more diseases is significantly more as your age increases. And when you are a young person, the probability that you will be caught by some diseases is very less. So that is something which must be taken into purview about the insurance. Like for example, if you take the insurance in your early 20s, 22, 23, 24, job tab bhi lage. At that time, for an average, a normal insurance I'm talking about, excluding all the add-on benefits. Excluding all the add-on benefits, you will have 500 rupees or 600 rupees per month. You will get an insurance of 1 crore. And 1 crore is significantly a good amount for an insurance. Because जो लोग 5,000 and 6,000 rupees per month भी pay कर रहे हैं, they do not have the life insurance for 1 crore. They just have the life insurance for 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs or max to max in the least case scenario 50 lakhs. If a person is paying 5,000 or 6,000 or even 10,000 rupees premium per month to get a life insurance only for 25 lakhs or 50 lakh max to max, because he took the insurance in late 30s or in mid 30s or 40s or 50s, whereas a person who took the insurance in early 20s, like before 25 or even at 25, that person is paying max to max 500 or 600 for an insurance of at least 1 crore rupees, excluding all the benefits. The additional benefits I'm talking about of insurance, a purely a life cover I'm talking about. Who is better? This person. And now you would say, if this person is paying 500 rupees per month, a point will come when his age would increase from 500 to 40 or 50. At that time, the premium should increase. No. Even that person becomes 50, 60, 70, 80, the premium would be just 500 rupees only. And it's a lifetime saving. And that amount that the huge amount that these people were putting in premium, 5,000, 10,000, that amount could have been invested into stock market. and earn the compounding interest. So that thing that can be taken into consideration, right? And again, and the second reason is the lack of knowledge or the lack of the comparison of policies. People just go straight to an insurance agency or a company and they take the insurance. They're not comparing it. And nowadays we have so many online websites to take insurance. Policy Bazaar pay you people can even compare the insurances. But I completely agree, though like this is a phase of digitalization or IT tech. But still people want a personal interaction with a person or a salesperson or an agent with whom or like or the person who is like providing him the insurance, like for the purpose of some personal interaction, because like when you are purchasing it online you'll just have the customer care number and no other person would be interacting with you personally for all your problems. And we as Indians face a lot of trouble in going through the customer care calls because the customer care service is very poor, right? So even if you are taking insurance, try to take insurance, LIC, Max Life, HDFC, ICICI, Bajaj. Try to compare all these and the policy that gives you the best thing, then go for that. The third thing is people go for these combined products which give you both investment as well as insurance cover, as mentioned on the screen: endowment, money back, whole life. And one popular plan, like which is not mentioned here, is your ULIP or unit linked investment plan. So these kinds of insurance covers are providing you both investment and insurance premium. But why to combine your insurance premium and investment together? So in all these investments, endowment, money back, whole life, and ULIP, the premium that you are paying, certain amount is going for your life cover and the certain amount is going for the investment purposes. But why to keep them together? And that is the reason they charge you huge 10,000 not or like 20,000 rupees per month, because they are accumulating the amount both for the life insurance and the investment. Keep your investment separate. Keep your FD separate. Keep your insurance separate. Investments, keep it purely investment. FDs, keep it purely emergency fund. Insurance, keep it purely life cover. Do not involve all these because these are some customizing products just to entice you, just to attract you कि यहाँ पे पैसा बनेगा नहीं बनेगा. These policies on an average, I'm talking about their investment returns. The life insurance cover बहुत अच्छा होगा. Talking about the investment returns, they are giving you very less returns, less than an index fund. बहुत कम return. And even the expense ratio is also very high. And these people or the agents who are selling you the policies are earning huge commission. 5% commission तो उन्हें मिल ही जाते हैं and करोड़ों में उनकी होती है कमाई. 5% they are earning out of that total that you are paying them. So there is no point. If those people are like playing with you, then you should have those financial literacy and try to avoid such policies, right? Okay, now see, in case of life insurance, when we talk about endowment plan is something that gives you like 50% towards life cover and 50% towards the premium for investment. The money back is something which gives you like more than 50% for your investments and less than 50% for your life cover. Whole life policy is more than 50% for your life cover and less than 50% for your investment. And unit linked investment plan, it is for both insurance and for your investments, and you get a maximum deduction of 1,50,000 under Section 80CC of the Income Tax Act 1960, right? But a term insurance if you can take, 500-600 रुपये प्रीमियम दोगे and 1 crore तक का term insurance मिल जाएगा. Term insurance is completely life insurance. But like what is the thing if the person does not die? If I have taken the life insurance or term life insurance for myself and I do not die, my family member won't get a single penny. And then people say, पैसा तो मिल ही नहीं रहा है, हाँ तो term insurance क्यों ले? Why you are comparing a death with insurance? It's good that the person is not dying. The person has his own investments. Insurance is just a contract of indemnity and guarantee. Do not compare it with your life or your like investments and all those stuff, right? Again, like when we talk about the life insurance company, 100% backed up by the government. So now an IPO is coming and the government is planning to dilute like 5% stake. मतलब कि 63,000 crores का IPO है and the largest IPO. And the policy holders के लिए 5% is out of that 5% जो like government stake dilute कर रही है, the 10% out of that 5% is like reserved for the policy holders. अब लोग LIC की पॉलिसी लेना स्टार्ट कर देंगे ताकि LIC के शेयर्स भी मिल जाए just for the purpose of investment. No, Try to compare everything. There are large number of private insurers who are gaining more market share. Or because life insurance company, your LIC in the future, it's a mature company, growth नहीं है. But the new companies who are the online companies or your like large banks like who have started to provide the insurance have a growth rate. वो भी match करो. The term insurance of LICs is very costly as compared to the term insurance of other things. And one more thing, like people would say you, like when we talk about insurance and all, like people would say you कि 500-600 रुपए का इंश्योरेंस मैक्स टू मैक्स 1 करोड़ का मिल जाएगा, राइट? तो वो 500 रुपए का इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा है ना, इट इज अ प्लेन लाइफ कवर, इसमें कोई एड ऑन बेनिफिट्स नहीं है. एंड दैट इज अगेन फाइनेंशियल इलिटरेसी. 500 रुपीज का चाहे तुम 23 साल के हो 24 साल के हो कभी नहीं मिलने वाला. You have to pay at least 1,000 or max to max 1,500, which is again a better position as compared to paying 4,000, 5,000 or 10,000 rupees per month. 1,500 क्यों? That 500 rupees is just a basic life cover. But additional diseases किसी को हो सकती हैं. The person who has taken the life cover for himself, he might suffer from additional diseases. And those kinds of diseases which are incurable or very severe, cancer, a large number of additional diseases, additional life cover, accidental death, suicide. If the person who has taken the life insurance, he commits suicide, then the person, like then his family will go to claim money, बोलेंगे यार इन्होंने जब अपने आप को मारा था तो claim नहीं मिलेगा. The accidental death, if someone dies in the accident, then again the life insurance like won't give money, बोलेंगे आपने एक normal plan लिया था. So these add-ons जब ये लोग हैं सारे, keep all the add-ons, जितने भी add-ons हैं ले लो. चाहे 1,500 की बजाय तुम्हें 2,000 देना पड़े at a young age, but it is far better than 5,000 or 10,000. So take these add-ons, and add-ons के साथ at least 1,000 you'll have to pay. That is still far better. ठीक है? So that is the reality. Like even if you go to website like policybazaar.com, like which is by PB Fintech, to prepare to like compare all these policies, and वहाँ पे like you can compare all these policies, Max Life, HDFC, ICICI, Bajaj. तो जब तुम बेसिक प्लान पे क्लिक करोगे and अपनी एज डालोगे, मतलब कि 22 ईयर्स डाली मेरी, 550 का इंश्योरेंस, एक प्लेन इंश्योरेंस आएगा मिनिमम 1 करोड़ का. बट इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज इट with additional add-ons, more than 90 plus kind of diseases you can include, and obviously you should include, because you do not know कि ये disease हो गया नहीं हो, right? So more than 90 plus करो diseases, accidental death cover लो, suicide भगवान ना करे किसी को करना पड़े, but वो भी लो. And this is financial literacy. I'm not talking about committing suicide or not. It's financial literacy. Try all the add-on covers. Okay. In the future session, in future subsequent sessions, I would also be talking about health insurance. Health insurance that people can take at a later point of time, where you have your wife, your children, a compact health insurance with family, mom, dad as well. But life insurance पहले लो. Health insurance कभी लोगे same ही रहने. But insurance लो. And the life insurance people say at least 20 times of your salary. अगर 20,000 रुपीज की सैलरी है तो 4 लाख का इंश्योरेंस कम से कम लो, सब नाम का, एटलीस्ट 1 करोड़ का लो. अगर 20,000 रुपीज की भी सैलरी है ना पर मंथ, you people can afford like 1,000 rupees if you avoid the unnecessary spendings. 1,000 is nothing for you. Even 10,000 भी per month कमा रहे हो ना, this 1,000 is nothing for you. You can invest.